Welcome to FluentVerse, your daily gateway to effortless English fluency. Here at FluentVerse, we believe that learning English shouldn't feel like hard work. It should be as natural and enjoyable as chatting with a friend. Every day, we bring you simple, emotional stories and practical tips designed especially for beginners and intermediate learners. Our videos use easy words, slow speaking, and real-life scenarios to help you build confidence in listening and speaking. Whether you're just starting your English journey or looking to level up, FluentVerse is here to guide you step by step, turning practice into progress. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners from around the world. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can change how you learn English forever. Stop reading English, start thinking in English. Let's get started. Imagine this: you're in a conversation with someone in English. They ask you a simple question, like, "What did you do yesterday?" But instead of answering quickly, your mind starts translating from your native language. You think the words in your head first in Urdu, Arabic, or whatever your first language is, then try to convert them to English. By the time you speak, the moment has passed, and you feel stuck. This happens to so many learners. We spend years reading books, memorizing vocabulary lists, and doing grammar exercises, but when it's time to talk, our brains are still reading English like it's a foreign code. The secret to real fluency: stop reading English and start thinking in it. What does thinking in English even mean? It means your thoughts happen directly in English, without that extra step of translation. Picture a native English speaker. They don't translate, they just think and speak. Their ideas flow naturally because English is the language of their mind. For you, as a learner, this might sound impossible at first, but it's not. It's a skill you can build, like riding a bike. At the beginning, you wobble and fall, but with practice, it becomes smooth and automatic. The good news is, anyone can do this, no matter your age or level. You don't need fancy apps or expensive classes, just consistent, smart habits. Why is this so important? When you think in English, everything gets easier. Speaking becomes faster and more natural. You make fewer mistakes because you're not juggling two languages in your head. Listening improves too, because you understand words instantly, without decoding them. Even reading and writing speed up, since your brain is wired for English. Think about successful language learners you've heard of, people who move to an English-speaking country and suddenly get it. It's not magic, it's immersion that forces them to think in the new language. But you don't have to move anywhere. You can create that immersion right where you are. So, how do you make the switch? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, start small. Begin with everyday thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, don't think in your native language about what you'll do. Instead, say to yourself in English, "I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast." It might feel strange at first, like talking to yourself, but that's okay. Narrate your day like you're the main character in an English story. I am walking to the kitchen. I am pouring water into the glass. Keep the sentences short and easy. Do this for just 5 minutes a day, and slowly increase it. Next, surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language to English. Listen to English podcasts or music while you cook or exercise. Watch simple videos, like the ones here on FluentVerse, without subtitles. The key is to avoid translating. If you hear a word you don't know, try to guess from the context instead of looking it up right away. Over time, your brain will connect ideas directly in English. Remember, babies learn languages by listening and imitating, not by reading dictionaries. You can do the same. Another powerful way is to talk to yourself out loud. Yes, it sounds funny, but it's one of the best exercises. Stand in front of a mirror and describe what you see. I have black hair. My shirt is blue. The room is bright. Then, move to telling stories. Recall your day. This morning, I woke up at 7. I ate eggs for breakfast. Then I went to work. Speak slowly, and don't worry about perfection. The goal is to think the words as you say them, not prepare them in another language first. If you get stuck, pause and try again. This builds your English muscle in the brain. Let's try an example together. Suppose you're thinking about your favorite food. Don't translate, think directly. I love pizza. It has cheese and tomatoes. I eat it with friends on weekends. See? No need to read or write it down first. Just let the thoughts come in English. If emotions are involved, even better. Think about a happy memory. Last year, I visited the beach. The water was blue. I felt relaxed. Emotions make the language stick because they connect to your heart, not just your head. Of course, there will be challenges. Your mind might slip back to your native language, especially when you're tired or stressed. That's normal. When it happens, gently bring it back to English without getting frustrated. Also, don't avoid difficult topics. If you want to think about your dreams or problems, force yourself to do it in English. It might take longer at first, but that's how you grow. Track your progress in a journal. Write 1 sentence a day about how it felt. Today, I thought in English for 10 minutes. It was hard, but I did it. As you practice, you'll notice changes. Conversations will flow better. You'll dream in English sometimes. That's a big sign of progress. You'll even catch yourself thinking random thoughts in English without trying. It's like unlocking a new part of your brain. Famous polyglots, people who speak many languages, all say the same thing. Fluency comes when you stop translating and start living in the language. One more tip, use visualization. Close your eyes and imagine scenes in English. Picture yourself in a park. The trees are green. Birds are singing. I am sitting on the grass. Add details to make it vivid. This trains your mind to create ideas purely in English, like a mental movie. In summary, stopping the habit of reading English and starting to think in it is the bridge to true fluency. It takes patience, but the rewards are huge. You'll feel more confident, more connected to the language, and ready for real-world English. Thank you for joining me on FluentVerse today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Remember, practice is key. To make this exercise even stronger, listen to this video again tomorrow. Pause after each section and repeat what I said in your own words. Don't copy exactly, change it a little to make it yours. For example, if I talked about narrating your day, tell your own version. I wake up and think, I am drinking tea. Do this every day, and soon thinking in English will feel natural. Keep coming back to FluentVerse for more tips and stories. See you in the next video. Take care and keep shining.